Hey folks, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a no oil pickle recipe. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to make pickle without any oil. In Tamil, we call this as neer elumichai. For this, we need lemons, green chilies, and ginger. And for the pickle masala, we are going to dry roast 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds until the fenugreek seeds turn deep red. We are going to let it cool and then we are going to get started with our chopping part. In India, typically we get lemons with thin skin. So, this pickle will be ready in 10 days. We are going to, soak the pickle in all the spices and stuff. This is not an instant pickle. Sometimes in US, I'm lucky to find pickle lemons with thin skin, but this time I didn't find. So this batch took 3 weeks for me to, start using. So just trim the edges of the lemon and chop them into small pieces so that it soaks up the juice and it will be soft and ready in shorter time. And as far as the green chilies goes, we are going to trim the edges and slit them into two. We are not gonna chop them into small pieces. So that's what I'm doing here. I've used 10 lemons and 15 green chilies and 2 in ginger. You can adjust the green chilies amount as per your preference and also depending upon the variety that you're using. If your green chilies are not as spicy, you can increase the amount. But if you are using like Thai chilies, you can reduce the amount. So you can adjust it accordingly. And for ginger, we are going to peel the skin and slice it like this. I just want to keep it in this way so that it matches with the green chilies. I'm gonna keep it like small matchsticks. Now the spices, the roasted fenugreek and mustard have cooled, so I'm gonna grind it into a smooth mix and add it to the chopped lemon mixture. And we need 3 teaspoons of salt. You can take this as a base and adjust it according to your preference. 3 heaped teaspoons should be fine. Now mix it well and make sure the spices are evenly coated. When I say spices here, it's just that roasted fenugreek and mustard seed powder. Make sure it is evenly coated. And you can add asafoetida while roasting the fenugreek and mustard, or you can add it even now. That's what I'm doing. And mix it well. Now we can transfer it to an airtight container and you can refrigerate it for 2 to 3 weeks. And every day you have to shake the bottle or the container where you're storing the pickle well, because we want to make sure the juices reach evenly and the lemon pieces will become soft evenly. So make sure to gently shake the pickle bottle every day. Depending upon the lemon skin thickness, the pickle will be ready between 2 to 3 weeks. For me, this batch took 3 weeks, and I really like this with rasam rice. Yes, typically pickles are enjoyed with yogurt rice, but this neer elumichai goes really well with rasam rice. Do give it a try. And if needed, you can also add red chili powder and some oil. But again, this is a zero oil pickle. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.